Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert photos to PDF on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the image that you wish to convert into the PDF. And once you do so, you can simply scroll up and you'll be able to see all the information about this picture. So if you wish to change it to PDF, you're gonna click on the share icon. You'll be able to see numerous options. You're gonna click on print. And then you'll be redirected to the print menu. Over here at the top, you'll be able to see share icon, so you don't have to print it. You're going to simply click on that share icon at the top right. And now you'll be able to see the photo converted in the form of PDF document right written over here. And then you're going to click on save to files and simply navigate the location where you wish to save and click on save at the top right. Now head over to files and navigate to that same folder, and here you can see that this is the image that I just converted. So click on it and you'll be able to preview the photo in the form of PDF. So that is basically how you can convert photos to PDF. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.